Today you'll discover a CSS3 trick using the input checked state pseudo class and the plus sign, as known as the sibling selector. More about it coming up. What's up, fellow coders? Today we'll be doing a reveal navigation system using CSS3 and HTML5. If you're new over here, I'm Marian and this is codetap, where you'll master how to build websites and get paid well. To become a web developer, start now by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Now let's do some coding. So now let's run npm start and wait for the browser window to open. And open the inspector. So now we want to test the sibling selector of the landing page box message in relation to the landing page box radio check state. So when we click on the label, the radio input gets activated and the div next to it, the landing page box message, receives a thick red border. And mark this as done. Now let's hide the landing page box radio and the landing page box message and only show the landing page box message that is next to a checked input type radio. And mark this as done. Now we want to hide the click to visit message link when any of the input type radio that reveals the link is not selected, and mark this as done. Now let's style our landing page box body and add a rounded white border to it. Also let's space out the content and add a position relative so later on the landing page box header can be positioned in relation to it. Let's also clear that red thick border. And let's mark this as done too. Now we want to style the landing page box header to sit underneath the landing page box body. And inside this box header we want to align the items to the left and right to stick to the left and right edges. Now let's move this requirement to the next task and mark the previous one as done. Now let's style the box info and box clothes by adding some spacing and a white background. If the content of the box info is longer than its container, we want to show the triple dots or the ellipsis. And mark this as done. Now let's make the box info take all the available width and also round its bottom left corner. And mark this as done. Now we want to make the bottom right rounded corner for the box close and also increase its width and font size, and mark this as done as well. Now we want to set the color of the landing page box link, the visited link and also the box message to white, and mark this as done too. Now we want to add some last styling to the landing page box link, and with this we are done with the landing page styling and creating it. And mark this is done for the last time. And now let's also commit this with a very nice message.